discover email strategies that propel growth from 5K to 50K organically.
System that we implemented when we were stuck at $5,000 a month and how we grew to $50,000 a month organically. I'm going to break down our exact systems so you can use them if you're a solo entrepreneur or a coach trying to build an online business. Let's jump into it. So, email. Email is the most profitable platform. So if you don't, depending on how you're trying to make money online, building your email list should be your priority. So most creators focus only on social, so they look at the vanity metrics, followers, likes, comments. But the reason you do social is to grow your email list. And once we made that switch mentally, that was when our business really took off. So email is where conversions happen, and you own your email list. And there's this thing that's happened called adpocalypse. If you're a YouTuber, you know it. But uh, the traffic that you get from your social media can go away overnight. The money that you're making from social media can go away overnight, but you own your email list. So you're not dependent on the algorithm. There's no noise. You're talking directly to your customer. And so email builds leverage over time. And so you get to sell one to many. So one email can make you $1,000, 1,000 customers can make you $1 million. There's people that, as they grow these big email lists, then if it's their birthday, they can do a flash sale on their birthday and they can make tremendous amounts of money. That's only because it has a lot of leverage and you can sell one to many. So if you don't know me, why listen to me? I'm the head of strategy for Sarah Beth Yoga. It's my wife's business. We scaled her to 7 figures organically with a very small team. We have no ads, no complex funnels. And then I help solo creators and coaches do the same thing with all the systems that we've learned. I teach everybody inside the operators room, which is a free Skool group. There's a link below this video if you want to join, and I'd love to have you in there. So, what is the real game? The real game is growing your email list. So you get attention on social, but you build trust in email. So your real job online is to turn followers and viewers into email subscribers. And that's the game, right? Because that's where the money's made. So once they're on your list, then you can not only might they buy right away if they join your list because they're in a good buyer's mindset, but you can nurture them, and then in 6 months or a year from now when they're ready to buy, you're one email away from making a sale. And so it's really important that you understand the game on online business. The game is growing your email list. So once you get them on your email list, there's two types of upsells, and this is really basic, but this is true. You can offer them more of what they saw on social media, or you can offer them more with help. So more of what they saw on social media with some of your help. If you make it really simple, that's the game. You're making content on social media, you're offering them more of that content, more of it to get them on your email list, and then more of it to get their money into your pocket, and so you can help them. So those are the two upsells. You got to choose one. So whatever your expertise is, choose what your upsell is. So start with one free gift. Every business is a little bit different, but not really. So you want to start with a free gift that solves a real problem. So a lot of times people create these very vague free gifts, solve a real problem, and value it at least $50. So just that's a generic number. Every industry is going to be a little different, but it has to be really valuable. You have to give something away that has value. That will build trust. It'll build reciprocity. It'll make people more likely to purchase from you. For us, we do yoga videos online for my wife's business, and then we offer more yoga videos. If you join our email list, we offer more yoga videos if you join our free challenges. And so they watch videos on YouTube. We offer more as our upsell, and then we offer more when we sell our membership. So choose which one works best for you. And then it's a very simple opt-in flow for us, right? It's someone sees your content, someone sees our content, they click a link, they join a landing page, we get their email, and they get the free gift right away. So it's very simple. Social media, landing page, free gift. You want to eliminate or minimize as many clicks to close as possible. And so the more clicks that somebody has to take in order to purchase with you or join your email list, the less likely you are to get them to join. And so that's it for now. People join, people see your social, they join your email list, they get the free gift, and that's step one. And so what does step two look like? Our 5 email follow-up sequence. So again, these are all generic, but the basic principles are the same. You want to introduce yourself, give them the free gift, add some value, and upsell, right? So One framework that we'll use is email one will be a welcome email. Tell them what to expect, how often you're going to email, what type of content you're going to email. Just set the tone like a good relationship. Email two might be how to use the free gift or to get another quick win. So it's really important when people join your email list to get a quick win. One of the tendencies a lot of people have is to give people all of these instructions when they join their email list. So you're like giving them homework. And think about that as the first step in a relationship is, hey, here's a bunch of homework, go read all this stuff and figure it out. So you want a quick win, simple, quick win emails. In email three, teach something surprising or helpful. Email four, share a belief or shift a story. Email five, invite to a paid offer. We have a daily yoga calendar for us. So each email, so that's our offer is we say, hey, if you want a daily yoga calendar, more with help, because we'll curate the calendar for you, we invite them to purchase. It's not a hard sell. Each email is going to build trust and adds value, ends in value. So if you're curious or if you think you're emailing too much, just as long as you're adding value, it's usually a good thing. We'll talk about how often we email after people go through this sequence in a second. So your offer, whatever your coaching offer is and should be the most next, should be the most, we're going to start over. Your offer should be the next logical step in the sequence. So they saw some stuff on social media, they wanted more of it, they joined your free gift, they want more of it, and that's your upsell, right? So you don't need to sell hard if you do it right, you just show them the next step. Our offer is a daily yoga calendar, so we help people implement what they just got for free. So they're doing yoga, we make it a little bit easier by giving them a calendar and they can log in and just do yoga. And it should feel like a continuation, not a pitch. And that's what people call, a funnel, right? But really, it's just a continuation. Little video on YouTube, little video after they join your email list, more videos in your membership, or more coaching in your membership. Logical continuation. And so what happens if they don't buy? Totally normal. People don't buy all the time right away. In fact, most of them don't. But the reason you have your email list is so you can nurture them. And when they're in a buyer mode later, they'll purchase and you can put an email in front of them. So it's totally normal. Most people don't buy immediately. After they don't buy, they go into what we call our 421 email system. So what is that? So the 421 email system is 4 value emails per month. So for us, we typically do it on a Monday. So Monday, 6 a.m., give them a good valuable email. For us, it's yoga, so we'll share a yoga video. 4 value emails a month, 2 partner emails per month. So we partner with companies that pay us an affiliate commission or partners that we want to promote because we think that our audience will like them. But a lot of times those are other revenue opportunities. So you can partner with people, you can generate more revenue. We do that twice per month. And then we do 1 flash sale per month. So this is a limited time offer. We'll have bonuses. We'll take bonuses away. We'll have discounts. They'll expire. But it has to be a limited time offer. And that's 1 flash sale per month. And then we repeat this every month. So this builds trust and it builds revenue. So again, 4 value emails, 2 partner emails, and 1 flash sale per month. Repeat, repeat, repeat. So repeat the play, same system every month. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. Repeat what works. This is what took us from 5K a month to 50K a month organically, and we still use this system today. So if you want help implementing this, this is what my operator room school is for. There's a link below this video. It's free. You can apply, and if you're a good fit, I'd love to have you in there. And then also below this video, there's a bunch of the softwares that we recommend for people who are solo entrepreneurs who want to build these one-person powerful businesses. So check those out as well, and I'll see you on the inside.